Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shreya Agrawal. I have completed my MBBS and I'm currently doing my MD in Nair Hospital, Mumbai. Our hospital has over 1,000 positive patients. It is the only COVID dedicated tertiary care government hospital in the city. So there are over 1,000 positive patients in the hospital. Mumbai itself has crossed over 50,000 positive patients. We have to work for 6 hours daily in PPEs. We have been given slots for 6 hours because once you wear the PPE and you go inside the ward, you cannot drink water or use the washrooms. Also, it gets very dehydrating wearing the PPEs. And calculating the risk of exposure it is to doctors, our shifts have been divided into 6 hours each per day. One experience that I will remember and will carry with me certainly was that while we were in the ward, there was a Muslim patient of around 55 years of age, and he was in the ward for around 7 days, after which his report had come negative. So, when we told him that if his second swab report also comes negative, he'll be discharged, he got really happy and he said us that I'm going to keep a rosa for all the doctors and nurses who are there in the ward, and that is something that I'm always going to remember. The way people get happy and show gratitude is something that makes you feel motivated to keep working. So, something that is really difficult for us is to keep our mental health strong, to be strong emotionally, because as doctors we are used to seeing critical cases, like we have seen really critical cases in our lives, but something that is different with COVID-19 is that we have to see deaths every day, which was not the case before. So you have to see a number of deaths every day, and the second thing that is challenging to us mentally and emotionally is announcing the deaths to the relatives and see them go through all that pain and emotion. So it has been quite challenging mentally, but it is our colleagues, my family, friends who have been very supportive in this time, and we just keep motivating each other that this is just a phase and it's going to get over very soon, and we are going to walk, all of us are going to walk through this positively and will surely come out of this phase. Media has all.
I'm Saurabh, Shreya's husband. We both are married since 6 months, and we are staying in a long distance relationship. Actually, we were trying to meet when this corona thing happened, and after that, Shreya got really busy in our hospital, and I am also a doctor performing my duties here in my hometown. Motivate each other by staying positive, and we know that the most important thing right now is serving people and serving those who are needy. And we hope that we get to meet really soon, and all of you please take care.
मैं गोपाल अग्रवाल, डॉक्टर श्रेया अग्रवाल का फादर।
मैं सरला अग्रवाल, डॉक्टर श्रेया अग्रवाल की मदर। पहले जब ये कोरोना का सुना, मैं बहुत डर गई थी। मैं श्रेया को व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज भेज के बोलती थी कि तू आ जा, लेकिन जब मैंने देखा कि उसकी वहाँ बहुत जरूरत है तो मैंने उसे मोटिवेट किया, उसे प्रोत्साहन दिया, और मैंने देखा कि वो बहुत ज्यादा ब्रेव है।
कोरोना एक पैंडेमिक बीमारी है और बेटी हमसे दूर मुंबई में नायर हॉस्पिटल में अपनी सेवाएं दे रही है। मुंबई में ये बीमारी ज्यादा फैली है, इसलिए एज ए पेरेंट्स हमको चिंता तो बहुत होती थी पहले, पर बाद में हमने देखा है कि नहीं, समय की मांग है कि डॉक्टर लोग अपनी सेवाएं देंगे, और मेरी बेटी भी जी जान से कोरोना के मरीजों की सेवा दे रही है, तो हमें उस पर बहुत गर्व है।
Hi, I am Akash Kedia. I am Shreya's brother-in-law. Initially, when we became aware that Shreya has to render her services in Nair Hospital under this COVID-19 scenario, that too in Mumbai, which is the most affected region in India, we were pretty stressed out.
And we are really proud of the work she's doing. And for the safety measures, we use mask. We go out only when it is very essential, and we keep on washing our hands and sanitizing time to time.
Hi, I'm KG Goyani and this is Sushil Chaudhary. We live and work in Pune, and Shreya is my sister-in-law.
We have 3 doctors in the family. The rest of us are staying at home, working from home.
This is a message to all the medical professionals and doctors out there. We really thank you from the bottom of our hearts for all the great work that you're doing. Love you and salute you. Thank you.